Magnum Cherry Coke Ice Pop. Welcome to Cook on Vibe. My name is M.R. This is Cook on Vibe. Are we active? Fully active. Yeah, do you know what, people? I thought as we've got a juice bar now, let's start doing some episodes around drinks and this and that. And you know what I'm saying? Active, man. Welcome to the bar. Welcome to the juice bar. You know what I'm saying? We're stocked up, people. Everything there. I'm going to tell you what we're going to need today. We're doing something a little bit different today. We are going to make Magnum Cherry Coke ice lollies. What you're going to need is you're going to need 4 ice lollies. All right? We're not even going to use the, I'll just eat them or put them in something. Yeah. So you're going to need 4 ice lollies and you're going to need a cherry Coke. All right? Also, you're going to need 1 Magnum. You see me? That is all the ingredients you're gonna need, and a little bit of what's the word for it? Creativity. All you're gonna need is this, and some creativity, and that is it. Active, fully active. I tell you, you want to kind of cut it quite close to the top, so we've got as much room as possible. You know what I'm saying? For the Magnum, and yeah. We're going to get rid of the contents of these. We just put them in a cup, I think. Subscribed already, please do the right thing. Hype up the video. Get the video moving. You know what I'm saying? We're active in the garden, people. The first thing we're going to do is get rid of the contents of our ice lollies. That is the first thing we're going to do. I don't know about anybody else, yeah? Like me as a man. Ice pole. I love ice poles. I swear to God. You see, at night time, sometimes when I'm smoking and I don't have a drink, I'll just get like 5 ice poles, and it's so satisfying. Try it. When you're smoking at night and you need a drink, don't get a drink, get like 5 ice poles and see how satisfying them 5 ice poles are. I promise you. So me as a man, I love ice pops. Ice poles, ice pops. We're going to call them pops. Poles is a bit of a Y still. So yeah, ice pops. Get rid of the content first. And then we're active. Just emptying out this contents, people. Into a glass. You know what I'm saying? We've got 1 packet nearly ready there. Nearly ready, 1 packet ready there. I've ate 1 already. Get rid of this. Fully active. Yeah. All right. We got our little ice pole packets. We're gonna give them a little wash out as well. Last one. Yeah. All right. We've got our 4 empty packets of ice pops. So what we're gonna do now, from the juice bar, like I said, I don't know why I said from the juice bar. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna put 1 cherry Coke into there, like so. And we're gonna put 1 Magnum into there, like so. That is our ingredients. Give that a little swish round and make sure it's all in together. There we go. Magnum Cherry Coke. I wonder what that's gonna actually taste like. I reckon it's gonna work, people. I've got a feeling it's gonna work. All right, so the next thing we're gonna do is simply get 1 of our packets, kind of scoop that over there, and then you have to tip it because there's not much liquid in there. There we go. we go. I want to fill it up to about, I'll show you where. To about there. Yeah. All right. Fully active. Inside there we have our Magnum Cherry Coke. Now you got to use your initiative. All right. So now I need to like seal this somehow. I'm going to show you how we're going to do it. All right, people. Hair straighteners. Yeah. Done. Yeah. All right. Let's check that's closed. Fully active. You can see we have got Magnum Cherry Coke ice poles sealed up. That is it. All we got to do is put them in the freezer now. Good vibes. Let's see how it comes out. There is even a bit left in there. Oh, nice. There we go. Magnum and Cherry Coke. Let's see how it tastes. Ooh, works very well. Big up the missus. I was like, what can I mix with Magnum? And she was like, Coke. And I was like, yeah, I hear ya. And I was like, what about Cherryade? And she was like, Cherry Coke. Perfect. Perfect, man. Listen, the ice balls are in the freezer. They're gonna take a good couple of hours. So I'll see you on the other side. And look at this. There you go. It's melted a tiny little bit because I brought it out because I had to do some pictures for the thumbnail. But yeah, there you go. A Magnum Cherry Coke ice pop. You know what I'm saying? Fully active. All right. Taste time. Magnum Cherry Coke ice pop. Oh, strong. Look at that. It's banging. It's strong with Magnum though. I didn't think it was gonna taste that strong. Like, it definitely tastes like Magnum. But it's like, it's got that. It tastes exactly what's in there. Like, everything's just there. The Cherry Coke and the Magnum. It's nice, man. I'm telling you, that is worth doing a whole bunch of them. Perfect for a party. You know what I'm saying? Summertime. People come around for a barbecue. Oh, yeah, yeah. Oh, it's hot, innit? Yeah, yeah, it's hot. Yeah, do you want an ice pop? What flavour is it? Magnum and Cherry Coke. That's a mad thing. You know what I'm saying? Magnum and Cherry Coke ice pop. That is it. Fully active. People, I hope you enjoyed the episode. Yeah, the merchandise is out right now. Remember, it's available. Key rings and fridge magnets are available. Is it me? Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment and share. Do that good stuff. Hype up the video and get it moving. You know the thing goes, cook and vibe. Old side.